Making that home style gravy for the Salisbury steak for tonight. Already got home style mashed potatoes done and waiting. Figure I'd bring you along real quick while I'm stirring the gravy. I added the flour once the hamburger meat got done. Here they are, waiting to go back in the gravy. I'm breaking up the flour right now. Fixing to add these onions. Sorry, it's an impromptu video. Figured I'd just bring you along real quick. Some butter. Everybody loves butter, right? Yeah. Let that get hot, and we'll see you later. The Salisbury steak is all dished up with the mashed potatoes and gravy. Doesn't it look great? Can't wait to stick a fork in it. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.